How to make the best millionaire shortbread. Line your tin with parchment paper, and if you want to be extra safe, you can also butter the sides like me. When transferring your biscuit base into your tin, make sure to pack it down with either your hands or a spoon. So, silly me forgot to record the beginning of this video, but this is the butter and the sugar, and when it starts to bubble up like this, you're going to want to add your condensed milk. You're going to stir continuously until it thickens up and gets a golden brown colour. When your fudge is ready, it should look like this. It should have a much thicker consistency and a golden brown colour to it. Don't worry if it has little specks like this, it does not affect the texture or flavour whatsoever. Because I don't have a microwave, I use the double boiler method to melt my chocolate. That's it, and that's all you have to do. I'd have to say it's a pretty easy recipe and it's really fun to make. Thank you for watching. Bye!